Founded in 1986, Tailored Foam of Florida has become the industry leader in providing homeowners, architects, general contractors, and building owners with the most highly regarded insulation products available in the industry. As a family-owned business, Tailored Foam is committed to superior service and has earned the reputation as Florida's most respected insulation company. We take pride in knowing our customers and their insulation needs. Corfill 500 masonry foam insulation has been installed in over 100,000 commercial and residential buildings. It's hard to believe that with so many outstanding insulation products available, people living in average-sized homes are still paying well over $300 a month in energy bills. Most homes are built of concrete block, strong for hurricanes and high winds, but they're porous and drafty. Energy experts tell us that if all the air leaks in an average home were put together, they would equal a hole the size of a basketball. Corfill 500 by Tailored Foam seals those air leaks because it's injected directly into the block walls. A completely sealed wall means that your home becomes an envelope of protection from the outside elements. It blocks out heat, humidity, pollution, noise, and odors, all while sealing in the comfort. There are 4 ways that Tailored Foam improves your quality of life. First, Corfill 500 can provide energy savings of up to 1/3 of your current heating and cooling costs. Not only does it reduce air infiltration, it also exceeds industry standards for thermal resistance. This means that it reduces the heat flow through the concrete block. Secondly, Corfill 500 provides superior sound insulation. You might have selected a quiet neighborhood, but neighbors bring their own noises. Corfill 500 offers commercial sound insulation for your residential home. Third, Corfill 500 contains boric acid. While not harmful to humans, it is also an ingredient in pesticides. Fourth and lastly, Corfill 500 is non-allergenic, non-toxic, and odorless, and yet so economical that savings exceed the cost. There are openings called web joints between the cells. The hot, humid air travels freely through the wall. High pressure forces Corfill 500 to flow through these openings to completely fill the cavities in the wall. Here's how it works. The installer drills a hole chest high around the entire perimeter of the house. This can be done inside or outside to fit the conditions of the job. Additional holes are drilled as needed when the cell has an outlet or switch. The installer then begins the injection process. Let's pause here for a second and take you inside the wall. Foam begins to fill the cell. It reaches the top, bottom, and sides, and the pressure builds until it begins to flow through the web joints and into the adjacent cell. You can see that the cell is filled first, then it begins to migrate across the wall. 150 pounds of pressure causes this to happen. Now let's go back and see how it looks from the installer's point of view. The pressure causes the foam to fill the second cell until the excess begins to ooze from the hole. At this point, because the pressure has completely filled the adjacent cell, we know that it has completely filled the first column. Remember that if the first cell was not filled properly, there would not have been enough pressure to push the foam over to the next cell. This process is repeated across the entire length of each wall, until all the walls are filled completely. Because Tailored Foam begins to set in about 20 seconds, the excess foam is swept and removed for the best appearance. And speaking of appearance, we take the extra step of patching the drill holes with mortar, reflecting the pride we take in every installation. We at Tailored Foam sincerely hope that you choose to have the nation's leading masonry insulation installed in your home. Now that you've seen many of the benefits of using Corfill 500, why not experience them for yourself?